Ever wonder why so many painters use a gray, not white palette? I used to use a white palette for a long time until I realized that most professional artists use a gray palette. The reason for this is that on a neutral tonal gray palette, colors are going to appear much closer to how they'll look on your painting than on a white palette. Paint that sits on a bright white background will look very different to how it'll look when you place it on a toned canvas. White palettes, they reflect light and create shadows, and this makes it harder to see the true appearance of your paint color. Gray palettes have been used for centuries, but they're also becoming more common in recent years. So most art supply stores have a variety of gray palettes available. However, if you use a glass palette like me, you can either paint the underside gray or place some kind of gray paper underneath. That way you'll set yourself up to better see your paint colors on your palette and make life easier when you're choosing what color to put down on your painting.